Go, Moon! Dolphin jumps high with a twirl so neat, clapping fins in a happy beat. Seal claps fins and rolls on sand, waving hello with a happy hand. Octopus with arms so wide, waves hello from the ocean side. Jellyfish glows in the ocean deep, softly dancing while others sleep. Shark goes zoom with fins so strong, swimming fast the whole day long. Tortoise moves so calm and slow, carries his house wherever he goes. Starfish shining in the sea so bright, spreading arms in golden light. Crocodile swims with a cheeky smile, snap goes his mouth all the while. Big blue whale sings deep and sweet, splashing waves with giant feet. Tiny seahorse with a curly tail rides the waves like a fairy tale. Crab walks sideways, click clack sound, snapping claws while dancing around. Penguin waddles on ice so cold, wearing a suit of black and gold. Crocodiles zoom with fins so strong, swimming fast the whole day long. Tortoise moves so calm and slow, carries his house wherever he goes. A monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loudly, wild and free. A butterfly flutters soft and bright, painting the garden with colors of light. The elephant stomps with feet so wide, carrying wisdom with gentle pride. The rabbit hops with ears held high, quick as the wind when clouds roll by. A deer runs fast through fields of green, graceful and quiet, seldom seen. The parrot talks in voices sweet, repeating words in a playful beat. A monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loudly, wild and free. A deer runs fast through fields of green, graceful and quiet, seldom seen. The parrot talks in voices sweet, repeating words in a playful beat. Peacock dances in the rain so bright, spreading his feathers, what a sight. Parrot talks all day so sweet, hello, hello is what we greet. Duck swims gently in the lake, quack quack sound she loves to make. Tiny sparrow jumps so high, chirping softly in the sky. Owl comes out when it's night.